Flying in luxury, private jets and their exquisite interiors. Welcome to a world where opulence knows no bounds, where luxury reigns supreme, and where dreams become reality. For the ultra-rich, the sky is not the limit when it comes to luxury travel. Private jets offer an unparalleled level of comfort, exclusivity, and convenience, enabling the wealthy to soar above the clouds in style. Beyond their sleek exteriors and innovative technology, private jets boast lavish interiors that redefine opulence. The investment in private jets by the wealthiest individuals goes beyond mere luxury and convenience. Here are some reasons why they choose to invest in private jets. Time efficiency. Time is an asset for the ultra-wealthy. Private jets allow them to bypass the lengthy procedures and delays associated with commercial air travel. With private jets, they have the flexibility to depart and arrive according to their own schedule, minimizing waiting times and maximizing productivity. Privacy and security. Private jets offer a level of privacy and security that is unmatched by commercial flights. High-profile individuals can conduct sensitive business discussions, hold confidential meetings, or simply enjoy personal space without the concerns of prying eyes or unwanted attention. Private jets provide a secure and controlled environment, ensuring the utmost discretion. Customized travel experience. Private jets provide a truly personalized travel experience. The interiors can be tailored to the owner's preferences, creating a luxurious and comfortable environment that reflects their unique tastes. From custom seating arrangements to personalized amenities, private jets offer a level of customization that enhances the overall travel experience. Flexibility and access to remote locations. Private jets provide access to a vast network of airports, including smaller regional and private airfields. This flexibility allows the wealthy to reach remote locations that are not easily accessible by commercial airlines. It enables them to visit exclusive resorts, private retreats, or conduct business in remote areas, saving valuable travel time and offering exclusivity. Enhanced productivity. Private jets provide a conducive environment for work and productivity. With dedicated office spaces, high-speed internet connectivity, and uninterrupted privacy, business leaders can conduct meetings, work on confidential projects, and stay connected while traveling. This ability to remain productive during flights is a significant advantage for time-sensitive individuals. Family and lifestyle considerations. For wealthy individuals with families, private jets offer the convenience of traveling together and spending quality time while en route to their destination. Private jets also cater to specific lifestyle needs, such as accommodating pets, dietary preferences, and personalized onboard amenities, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable travel experience for the entire family. Status and image. Owning a private jet is a symbol of success, wealth, and prestige. It signals a level of achievement and accomplishment that is recognized globally. Private jets are often associated with the world's most influential individuals, and owning one reinforces their position in society and establishes them as part of an elite circle. Investment potential. Private jets can also serve as a long-term investment. While the initial purchase and maintenance costs are significant, some individuals choose to offset the expenses by chartering their jets when not in use. This way, the investment can generate revenue and potentially appreciate over time. Sit back as we take a journey into the world of private jets and explore their luxurious interiors that cater to the most discerning tastes. Customized elegance. Private jet interiors are a masterpiece of customization and craftsmanship. Every detail is meticulously designed and tailored to meet the specific desires of the jet owner. From the finest leathers, exotic woods, and sumptuous fabrics, the interiors exude elegance and sophistication. The rich textures and intricate finishes create a luxurious ambience that rivals the most opulent residences. Spacious and comfortable cabins. Private jets offer generous cabin space that ensures comfort during long-haul flights. The layout includes plush seating arrangements, often with fully reclining chairs and adjustable headrests. Some jets even feature divans, sofas, or custom lounges, providing ample space for relaxation and socializing. The cabin interiors are meticulously soundproofed, reducing external noise for a peaceful and tranquil journey. State-of-the-art entertainment systems. Private jets are equipped with state-of-the-art entertainment systems to cater to the wealthy traveler's desires. High-definition screens, surround sound speakers, and personal entertainment controls allow passengers to enjoy their favorite movies, music, or even host virtual meetings while in the air. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi and satellite communications ensure seamless connectivity throughout the journey. Gourmet dining and refreshments. Private jet travel goes beyond standard in-flight catering. Gourmet dining experiences await the passengers on board, with highly skilled chefs and sommeliers creating personalized menus and selecting the finest wines and spirits. From exquisite multi-course meals to custom-designed champagne bars, the culinary offerings rival those of top-rated restaurants and exclusive clubs. Lavish restrooms and spa facilities. Private jets offer luxurious restroom facilities that are vastly different from conventional airplane lavatories. High-end finishes, marble accents, and premium toiletries create an ambience of sophistication and indulgence. Some private jets even feature spa-like amenities, including showers and relaxation areas, allowing passengers to freshen up and rejuvenate themselves during their journey. Personalized services and attentive staff. Private jet travel is synonymous with personalized service and discreet hospitality. Highly trained cabin crews anticipate every need and desire, ensuring a seamless and memorable experience. From arranging bespoke itineraries to accommodating specific dietary requirements, the staff goes beyond catering to the passengers' wishes, creating an atmosphere of exclusivity and indulgence. Private jets not only offer unparalleled speed and convenience but also elevate luxury travel to new heights. The luxurious interiors of these jets create a world of opulence, comfort, and bespoke indulgence for the wealthy travelers. From customized designs to gourmet dining experiences, every aspect of the interior is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Private jet travel allows the ultra-rich to experience the epitome of luxury, where their every desire is catered to with the utmost care and sophistication. As we conclude our exploration of private jets and their luxurious interiors, we are reminded that for those who can afford it, the journey truly becomes as remarkable as the destination itself. Now, as we bid farewell to this video article, let the opulence and grandeur we've explored serve as a reminder that with dedication, ambition, and a touch of extravagance, you too can create a life that knows no bounds, where luxury reigns supreme, and where dreams truly become reality. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Until we meet again, may your aspirations be bold, your endeavors be rewarding, and your life be filled with the utmost opulence.